In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a new LinkedIn account. LinkedIn is a vital tool for professional networking, and getting started is incredibly straightforward. So let's walk through the sign up process together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you're already logged in with another account, you'll want to sign up first to create a new one. So let's click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. From here, select Sign Out. You can opt to remember this account for later convenience, ensuring you won't have to sign out each time you want to log into your new account. Once signed out, you'll see the LinkedIn homepage. Look for the Join Now button and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can input your basic information. Enter an email address or a phone number that you want to associate with your new account. Make sure it's one you have access to, as LinkedIn will use it to verify your identity. Next, choose a password that is strong yet memorable. A good rule of thumb is to use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Having done that, click on Agree and Join. At this point, you might be prompted to select a Gmail account if you are using Google services. If that option appears and suits you, go ahead and select the Gmail account you want connected. If not, you can skip it by simply clicking Confirm. Next, you'll be asked to provide your location. This helps potential employers or connections in your geographic area to find you. Once you have added your location, click Next. Now it's time to fill in some details about your professional life. You can either add your most recent job experience or, if you're a student, select the appropriate option for that. After entering your job experience, click Continue. LinkedIn will then ask you about your job search status, whether you're actively looking for a new job, open to the right opportunity, or not interested in job offers. Make sure to select an option that accurately reflects your current position. Then click Next to proceed. The next step will have you describe what kind of job or roles you're interested in pursuing. This information enhances your LinkedIn experience by personalizing job recommendations and network suggestions. After you've provided this information, click Next again. Finally, LinkedIn will suggest downloading their app to stay connected on the go. It's a great way to stay updated with potential opportunities and keep in touch with your network. If you're interested, scan the given QR code with your phone to download the app and then click Next. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new LinkedIn account. Now you're ready to start networking, building your profile, and connecting with professionals in your industry. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions about navigating LinkedIn.